This is PBS.
Here we are off the peaceful coast of California. You should be very stoned. Check out the billowing, hairy balls. They bob up and down as if to teabag the ocean. Some porcupines think they can swim, but they can't. They just drown and sink to the floor. Could that be the ugliest fish ever? Maybe. A freshly hatched grape airhead obstructs the slug's path. It may be days before the slug finds a way around. A school of fish. This fish has dropped out. Without any prospects for the future, he'll remain stuck in this tree for the rest of his life.
Funding for this program was made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by annual financial support from viewers like
Shen.